Touching Apple devices without any protection just feels better. But carrying my MacBook around can be pretty challenging sometimes. Fortunately, Sandmark was like, say no more. They sent me the new leather edition of their 16-inch MacBook Pro carrying case. The leather definitely feels like something you want to touch. It has an integrated bag handle and a weather-resistant zipper. The inner microfiber lining provides comfort and protection for your MacBook. It even features a front zip compartment for all your other stuff. The side access and a low-profile handle are also pretty neat. It really is the ultimate companion if you love to travel with your Macs. Check out the website of Sandmark to explore this carrying case and many other cool gadgets.